The Americana, available in 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 cubic foot capacity, and the Americana Plus, available in 6 and 8 cubic foot capacity,
are loaded with features, making them popular for replacing older RV refrigerators. Both are two-way powered with easy-to-operate eye-level control. Some single-door models add 12-volt power. Positive door locks keep doors securely closed during travel, preventing sudden spills and surprises. The versatile racking system is fully adjustable to accommodate large objects and includes shelf guards to fence in items securely. The freezer door features a shelf and convenient juice rack. Large door bins are removable, and Dometic's Magic Fingers accessory holds items securely in place. The Americana has an automatic thermostat, while the Americana Plus has a 5-setting adjustable thermostat.